Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be looking through this Hoover washing machine brochure from the 70s. Even if you don't like washing machines, you might want to watch this video just to enjoy the various fashions of the people featured in the brochure. But if you just like 70s retro stuff, just watch it anyway, folks. You know, and even thumb it up, even if you don't like it. Thumb it up, it all helps. So anyway, here we have Hoover washing machines. Make things better for you and make things better for this lady here who now has time to play cards with her 3 children. Now it looks like the camera's not focusing, but the brochure is showing the washing in full Technicolor and in focus, where the family behind are sort of a bit blurry. I think that's an artistic technique being used, and we can't see that the mother is cheating at strip poker, I expect they're playing, or possibly Snap or Old Maid. I'm not sure what they're playing, but certainly because she has a Hoover automatic, she's time to play cards with her 3 children instead of being stuck at the sink scrubbing their dirty underwear. So without any further ado, just admire this lovely colourful image for a few seconds more, and then I'll open up and we'll see the wonderful vintage Hoover washing machines inside. And by crikey, yes, we have a wonderful array of Hoover washing machines, both automatic, twin tub, single tub and spin dryers, and a load of people just enjoying looking at them. We've got hubby and wife there. She's gazing with love at that Hoover Keymatic. The boy, being a boy, he's looking very bored, wondering when they can go out and play football. 2 girls over here just basically gossiping, probably telling all sorts of tales about the brother. Even the family pet, the dog here, he's got involved with the choosing of a new washing machine for this family. It's true, Hoover make a bigger range of washing machines than any other manufacturer in the country, because after almost 2/3 of a century's experience in meeting housewives' needs, we know that different families have different washing problems to solve. Only by making so many kinds of washing machine, we can guarantee that there'll be one in your Hoover dealer's showroom that's tailored to solve your particular problems within your particular budget. All Hoover washing machines are designed, tested and made in Britain, backed by British know-how, British craftsmanship, British reliability. Hoover washing machines give you more time to get on with living while they get on with the wash. Take the new Keymatic Deluxe for instance, nothing quicker. All you do is switch on and slot in the unique space age key plate. The Keymatic does the rest. Washes, rinses, spin dries, any fabric you tell it to. The fantastic new Hoover Twin Tubs can cut your family wash time to less than 30 minutes. Fantastic? No other word fits the new Hoovermatic Deluxe. The new Hoover Keymatic Deluxe model 3223H, the one with the key plate. And there it is, the Keymatic, the most advanced Hoover washing machine in this brochure. As you can see, the Keymatic is doing the family wash while the housewife is preparing a lovely salad for her children. The girl is just looking dumbfounded at the mother, wondering when she can get out and move in with her boyfriend. She's there, smiling, with her arms folded, giving double messaging there. Arms folded means stay away, but the smile says, I'm happy to be here. Very confusing, mixed messages from that probably almost teenage girl there, wearing a very provocative little dress. On this page we can learn all about the fabulous Keymatic Deluxe. No other automatic washing machine has anything like the unique Hoover key plate, and now the Keymatic has 2. They give you the choice of any washing programs you'll ever need. Just slot in the key plate and the Keymatic washes any fabric you like, uses the right washing method it needs. Tell it what to do, the Keymatic does the rest, gently, thoroughly and safely. And here we have one of the key plates that you slot into the front of the Keymatic. You could slot them in, there's 4 ways. I think each key plate possibly had 8 different programs, maybe. There's certainly 4 showing on this: whites, fast coloureds, white nylon and minimum iron. But I'm wondering, I've never seen one, but I'm wondering if you can flip the plate over and it's got other programs. I'm not sure. Keymatic enthusiasts, comment below. And then we've got an illustration here showing different wash actions. And at the bottom, it looks like it is a 3-compartment dispenser. So you've got dispenser for main wash, pre-wash and fabric conditioner. For the 70s housewife who didn't manage to bag a rich husband, we have the Hoover Automatic, looking quite plain compared to the sophistication of the deluxe Keymatic. This is the new Hoover Automatic model 3221H with a more traditional dial instead of a key plate, but I'm sure it'll still perform as well as the Keymatic. The Hoover Automatic is already famous for its low price and big value drying power, and now it's got 3 great new features to give you even bigger value. New hot fill. Now the Automatic has hot and cold fill for an even faster wash using your own hot water. New wool wash water level. There are now 2 water levels. Machine washable woolens are easy to wash because they are totally immersed in the new Automatic. New simplified control. The controls have been cunningly simplified to one dial. That's right, just one simple control for all programs makes most other automatics dial cluttered. Real spin drying. The Automatic gives you long or short spin drying, and it's efficient. Is it worth getting a cheaper machine if it leaves you with water on your hands? Remember, if you want family budget spin drying, you need the Automatic. All systems go. The Automatic's control panel, simply styled for easy operation, allows you a choice of different wash systems to match HLCC recommendations. And you are in charge. Decide on the correct system for a particular load, set the control, and the Automatic obeys automatically. A choice of 4 water temperatures with a short or long spin dry to follow. We've got rhythm. A special 2-way 2-rhythm tumble action is another luxury automatic feature of the new Hoover Automatic. Its 2-way 2-rhythm revolving drum action gives the most efficient wash ever. This reversing tumble movement with the different timed actions removes dirt the natural, gentle but effective way. The big drum. The new Hoover Automatic's durable drum is self-cleaning and specially shaped to take up to 11 pounds of clothes. Fit your kitchen? 33.5 inches high, 27 inches wide, 21.5 inches front to back. Can you move it? Just wheel it up to the sink to connect to the kitchen taps. If you have it plumbed in, the casters make it easy to clean behind. Hoover make things better for you. How's this for a picture of you doing the family laundry, with your children at the zoo or anywhere else for that matter? While you and your family enjoy yourselves, your clothes can be washed or tumble dried, ready to iron or wear. That's the joy of the Hoover way of doing things. You live a bit more. Here's the Hoover Tumble Dryer model 3020. As dry as you like, that's the way the Hoover Tumble Dryer gets your clothes, ready for ironing dry or bone dry, aired and ready to wear. 2 simple controls give you the choice: automatic timer and a heater switch. Just set the timer for any period up to 90 minutes and the heater switch gives you a choice of heats right for the clothes being dried. Nothing complicated about this tumble dryer, and it's so safe with all the special Hoover care and safety features. Here we have a double page spread featuring the new Hoovermatic Deluxe model 3312L and the standard Hoovermatic without the automatic deep rinse feature. This lady's just retrieved her hubby's shirt from the spin dryer. It's looking very creased, I must say, and probably a bit tangled up after going through the Hoovermatic, but I'm sure she's got a Hoover steam or dry iron to get rid of those wrinkles. And here we have the daughter looking on and learning how to use the Hoovermatic because she knows that one day when she's married, she'll be lumbered with all the washing as well. Looking out of the window, we can see that this family live in a block of flats, so perhaps they can't have a fully plumbed in automatic, so I've had to opt for the Hoovermatic Twin Tub. The last 2 pages in this brochure feature the Hoover single tubs and spin dryers and the Hoover twosome, the space saver. Neat, compact, efficient. Hoover single tubs give you all the benefits of unique active water action in the cleared for action tub. They take a full family load and everything gets thoroughly washed in a quality stainless steel tub. Choose from 6. All Hoover single tubs come with or without a heater and a choice of a power wringer, a hand wringer or no wringer. The wringers store away in the tub when not needed. Easy on the eye, easy to move. Slim, elegant styling and easy manoeuvrability make Hoover single tubs the ideal machines where space is limited. The Hoover twosome is a brilliant idea if you want the benefits of twin tub washing, yet kitchen space is limited. It's also the cheapest twin tub you can buy, so simple too. All you do is harness up one of the Hoover single tubs already described to a Hoover spinner, and there it is. A twin tub that separates for easy storage and is ultra easy to manoeuvre. Making things better for you. Once you decide to let Hoover solve your home laundry problems, you'll find your life takes on another dimension. More time for yourself, more time for your family. And all the time your family wash will be done the way you want it done, because Hoover really care about clothes. You want the best for your family. You want Hoover. Here's the back page of this lovely Hoover brochure talking about Hoover dealers. The service you want. We have over 9,000 authorised Hoover dealers and there are certain to be several near your home. Each authorised service dealer has been specially trained by us and is fully qualified to service the whole range of washers and dryers. Independent research has shown that this is the kind of service you want, just round the corner, when you want it, quickly. I've really enjoyed reading this brochure and I hope you've enjoyed the video. What a blast from the past, very nostalgic for some of you watching. Not only do we get to see some great British-made Hoover home laundry appliances, we also get a glimpse into the life of the average family. The average family being the husband that would go to work, the wife would stay to look after the home and the children, and of course do all the washing. But with the help of the Hoover appliances, the housewife has more time to play with the children, more time to go out, and even time when husband's home to go and have fun in the countryside. So husband is absent in most of these pictures, apart from when he's playing with the kids at the end. So that's a typical nuclear family from the 70s, where mother wouldn't work and father would earn all the money. He would earn enough to afford the Hoover washing machine the wife wanted, and to obviously feed and clothe the children, and of course give the dog his daily kibble. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos of various appliances, mainly washing machines and vacuum cleaners, and I'll see you all for the next video. Bye for now.